Hey there, I hope you are doing great. Here, a full walkthrough how I actually look like. So I'm Khubaib, I'm founder and CEO of Next Level Software, and working with 15 plus developers across the team. So we have done 150 plus project, including 80 plus mobile applications, and we are a top rated plus agency on Upwork. And our process start from the requirement gathering phase, where we actually do a one-to-one session with our client and gather the requirements. We prepare the SRS and PRD for their plan, and after that, if the idea is like the budget is tight, we especially do only the essential features in the MVP, just to validate the idea and launch it live. And for the future phases, we go with the paywall, any you say like the freemium features, the payment method integrations, kind of that into the other phases, even the AI personalization things. So this totally depends on the client requirement. After that, we go with the sitemap of the project, which cover the each screen, and in the each screen we have the features, so a client can validate how their whole platform will look like. This is how the application is, like the training module, the user module. So this way it gives a clear picture to our client. After that, we prepare the Figma design. It covers the mobile application, website, the admin part. So this is how our whole platform will interconnect to each other. And we also work with the high fidelity and low fidelity designs. And that way, our design phase, once approved, we go with the live coding part. In that coding part, we actually start from the conversion of UI UX design from Figma to Flutter, and give this to our client for just the feedback purpose, and it's totally responsive across the devices. Once we get the feedback and our design is fully converted, we go with the integration phase, which cover the features that's like AI integration, any backend APIs, any third-party APIs integration with it. And once that's ready, we go with the quality assurance and back and forth revision and feedbacks part, where our client give us the feedback based on the beta users feedback and their own testing. And even we do the scalability, security testing on our side. And that way, once that phase is like totally done, after the QA, we launch it live and submit on Play Store and Apple Store. So this is how our process look like, and we have done 150 plus project across the industries, just like e-commerce, travel, education, fintech, sports, and many AI automations tools like that. So and even the food delivery, government, and healthcare. We have done a lot of work across the industries, and we never outsource any project. We work with B2B and B2C clients, and this is how our team looks like, how our process look like, and our services. And these are some of the glimpses we available on our website and Upwork. And we have a proven feedbacks available on Clutch and on Upwork, also on LinkedIn. So you may visit our LinkedIn as well, where we are providing the glimpse of AI and industry trends on our posts. So this is how our process look like. If you have any idea or just want to validate it, just shoot me a message and we will do a consultation. I'm looking forward to your message. Thank you.